Tired of boring data presentations? I'm going to show you how to create stunning graphs directly in Microsoft Word. First, open up your Microsoft Word document. Head over to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. In the Illustrations group, you'll see the Chart option. Go ahead and click on it. A dialog box will pop up, displaying all the available chart types: column, line, pie, bar, area, and more. Select the one that best suits your data. For example, a column chart. Click OK, and Word will insert a sample chart along with a mini Excel spreadsheet. Now, it's time to replace the sample data with your own. Simply click on each cell in the spreadsheet and type in your values and labels. As you update the data, the graph in your Word document will automatically update in real time. To customize your chart, click on it, and you'll see the Chart Design and Format tabs appear. Under Chart Design, you can change the chart type, add chart elements like titles and data labels, and even choose from different chart styles. In the Format tab, you can modify the colors, shapes, and text formatting to perfectly match your document's aesthetic. Experiment with these options to create a graph that's both informative and visually appealing. And there you have it, professional graphs, made easy right inside of Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.